Hi everyone, today I will teach about how to use the Microsoft Word. First, you need to double click your Microsoft Word to open the program. Okay, you will see the pages like this. You can choose the letter that you want to use, but now we choose the blank document to learn the basic operation of the Microsoft Word. Okay, in order to avoid missing document due to some mistakes in the middle of the documentation, we will save our file first. First, you click the file, click Save As, and click where do you want to put your file. I will put at Documents. Okay, I will name the file as Document 1. Okay, save. If you see the top of your documentation change the name, this means you successfully saved here. Okay, you can see here have the grouping of formatting icons. This is for font. This is for paragraph. And this is for styling. If you go to Insert, you can see here got table, pictures, shapes, and so on. And if you want to change the design, you can go to Design also. Okay, now you are supposed to type some content, and I've done it before. I just only need to copy and paste. Okay, you can see the paragraph is here, and it's look not so nice. So we will change it to let the content be nicer. Okay, first select all. And we change it to justify. And the spacing is to 1.5. Okay, if you want to change the font style, you can change it here. I will change to Times New Roman. The font size 12. Okay. I will change the types of computer to bold. I also will change it at center. Okay. If you want to change the color, also can. You can select the color at here. I will choose this color. Okay. So for each paragraph, you can put some bullet points. So that means from analog computer to microcomputer, we have to insert bullet because these are the points. So you can see from top here have bullet. And you can see many different bullets. You can choose any bullet that you want. I will choose this. Before you choose, you need to select analog computer to microcomputer. Now it looks much more presentable. You can see the points clearly. Remember to save your file. Okay, next we'll teach how to do replacement. You can see the replace at the right side here. Click it and you can see the box, find, replace, and go to. Okay, how to change? Can you see here at the bottom? Have a word replace and you click. First, you have to find the word. So the word that I would like to change is the word of large, and I replace with huge. Okay, after you have done it, click OK. Or before you click OK, help more, format, highlight, and replace all. Okay, one replacement will be made. Close it. Okay, you can see here before it's large and now it's changed to huge. Okay, so let's change the title to uppercase. Currently, the title are all in the lowercase, meaning small letters combined with capital letters, but I want it to be all capital letters. So how to change this? Okay, highlight the title. Can you see this? This is where you can change the case of the letter. Okay, you don't have to type it again, just select and change the case. Here have the uppercase, click it. Okay, for all the title, do it the same. So this section have done. The next video will teach you how to create on template. Thank you.